What's up everyone, Brad here with the Money Dad channel. In this video I want to talk to you about a stock that I think is going significantly higher from here, and that is Senseonics, stock ticker SENS. And we have traded this stock on this channel before. If you have been a subscriber of this channel, you know that I put a video out 2 weeks ago about Senseonics. We entered a trade on this one at $3.98 and got out. Well, let me show you. February 9th, we were right here, and then I sold on February 17th at $5.23. So did pretty well on that trade, made, I don't know, what is that, like 30% or something like that in about a week's time. So I am buying back in here today. I think I got in at 423 or 425, something like that. So a little bit down on the trade so far today, but not too bad so far. And the reason that I got in on this one, guys, is because of this long-term trend line right here. We are above that, and there are a lot of stocks today, after yesterday's bloodbath, there are a lot of stocks today that are below support levels, below trend lines. They do not look good to buy in. This is one that is not the case. Yesterday we put in this huge tail, very good sign. Today we got above this blue trend line or support and resistance line right here. That is very significant for this stock going forward. So you can see, I mean, I drew this one just based on these candlesticks right here to start with. For yesterday, I was saying we need to get above this blue line, because if you trace this support line based on these candlesticks right here back, you also see that it acted as resistance in the past right here. It acted as resistance in the past right there. We tried to break through it right here one day and couldn't do it, and then the next day just plowed through it, and it's acted as support ever since. You know, right here, all of these candlesticks right here. So yesterday when we broke down underneath it, and then eventually, you know, as the day went on, got back up and closed right above it, I thought that was a pretty good sign. And I thought, you know, today if we stay above it or get significantly higher than it, that is a very good sign for the stock going forward. We now have that support line underneath us instead of acting as resistance above us, trying to butt our heads up against it like right here and right here, not able to break through it. We now have it underneath us like right here. It's a floor. It's that support. So that is the good sign going forward for Senseonics. That's what I'm using as my trade, basically. This is my stop out. If we ever break below this line, I will stop out of the trade. But as long as we stay above this line, I'm going to stay in the trade and keep making profits on this. So I don't have a exit point on this one. I'm just kind of following this line as it takes us higher and higher into the future and higher up the chart. So hopefully this one works out. It might end up being a longer term trade and we just keep making gains, or I might get stopped out today or tomorrow, who knows. So just kind of following this blue trend line, guys, and hopefully we make a lot of money on this trade. So also notice that I got in at 425, and a few weeks ago I sold at 525. So I was able to get in $1 cheaper than when we sold that trade last time. So that was pretty nice to be able to make some good money on the run up last time, and then also buy back in at a significantly lower price. So you're either getting more shares for the same money, or you're getting the same shares for a cheaper price, right? Either way you look at it, it's a very good thing. So that's what I've got for Senseonics, guys. If you want a background on the company, go check out the previous videos that I made. I think the first one I made 2 weeks ago, I did a nice background on it. It's kind of quick. I don't get into the fundamentals too much in these videos. We try to stick to the chart patterns and the setups and the trades and stuff like that. But I did do a quick background on Senseonics 2 weeks ago. So go check that one out if you want to see a little bit on Senseonics. I won't do it again in this video just because I've already done it. I'm just talking about this trade right here. Okay, that's what I got, guys. A real quick update for you guys just to let you know what I am doing with my money and my trades. All right, so hope everybody is making money out there in the stock market, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.